Alright friends, in this lesson we will see how to print string with variable. So let's concatenate two strings. I delete this, and I come here. Inside the print ln, hello is my first string. So what I use plus operator. And then I give one space. So for one space, I just come here and then I put one space inside the double quotes. And then I continue concatenating. That's why I put plus operator too. And then what's my second word is hello world. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to go to this folder. Inside this folder, I rename it, I copy this, and then I paste here. Inside the CD, I paste here, so I compile first, and then I run it. Okay, hello appears on the screen. So now I want to print with a variable. So I come here, I say integer number equals to 5. In Java, you can combine a string with an integer. So Java automatically converts the number to a string. So how can I use it? I delete this. After plus operator, I just give my variable name. So let's run it. You see hello 5 appears. So Java handles implicit type conversion when combining strings and number, and you don't need to manually convert the integer. Java takes care of it. Alright, super.